Hello everyone. So 10 years is a big time to build something, to nurture it, and to make it grow. Um, we, we, we have completed 10 years for Talentelgia in 2022, and we are absolutely proud to say that 10 years back we had a dream to do something differently for the industry, for our people, and it was our vision that we want to do some unique things for the youngsters in the IT field, and also that we wanted to deliver some extreme quality work to our clients. And if we look back at our journey for the last 10 years, then we are glad to see the progress and the platform that we have given to every individual who was associated, who is associated with Talentelgia. And we are glad to share that in 10 years of journey, we have served happy customers in approximately 30 countries across the world. Our turnover has touched 1 million in this year. Our team size has touched 100 people in this year. So indeed 2022 was a remarkable year in terms of the growth of the organization. And since we are full of youngsters and fresh minds in the company, and seniors are as always, they are giving their best, they are holding everyone tight, and we are continuously bringing in the new thought process in the company in order to become such a platform where everyone is keen to come in, to be in, to learn and to grow. So this is what we are currently working on, as we know that we had a philosophy of win, win, win. So we are continuing with the same philosophy to make the company grow to the next level. And obviously we want all of our team members to win first. We want to offer them the best possible platform for their learning and earning. And obviously second win is for our customers. If our team members are winning, if our customers are winning, then obviously we will win for sure. So thank you very much, team, for all your hard work, and we look forward to having a great show in the next year and in the coming time. Thank you very much.
Hi, I joined Talentelgia Technologies in 2012. My journey here has kept me motivated at every step throughout these 10 years. I feel really proud of what we have achieved. We have come a long way, starting from a small room to becoming a global brand within a decade. The work ethics of trust and transparency has created a friendly workplace that polishes skills and leads to comprehensive growth at personal as well as professional levels. And I am sure that these ideals will help it expand to new horizons very soon. Thank you.
Work-life balance is quite important to be happy and productive at any place. And at Talentelgia, I get both. In the terms of professional growth, I got opportunity to work on different business domains, latest technologies and industry that added to my skill set. And in the terms of personal growth, I like all the team members, seniors and management are quite supportive, and they make sure that I am in the good personal space that help me to be productive.
Hello everyone. I have worked for 7 years at Talentelgia Technologies and have enjoyed every bit of it. I really like the work culture here. Management is very supportive and friendly. We feel motivated around them. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So I have been working from last 5 years in this organization and I feel so blessed to be the part of Team Talentelgia. Seniors are so sportive and always ready to help. Even the work atmosphere is positive and the team activities help us to bond with each other, which make our team friendly and work fun. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So it's annual day coming up and I'm here to wish everyone a very happy new year and wish Talentelgia many more years of continued success. It's been a great working experience with Talentelgia. Talentelgia is a perfect career launching pad for everyone. The exposure in terms of learning, skill set, latest technologies, domain knowledge, career has been amazingly good here. So all in all, it was a great journey so far and I feel good to work as a backbone of the company. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Thank you.
Let me begin with saying hip hip hooray! 10 years of our journey in Talentelgia, and it would not have been possible without each one of you. Whether we are working from home or we are in office, we truly appreciate each and every one, and I wish we all were here to celebrate it together. Nevertheless, in future, we have many milestones that we want to achieve, and trust me, it's not just the 10 years, it's 10 years, 10 years and 10 years. That is what we are looking at. So let's enjoy today like never before. See you.